Hey everyone, Kai here. In this video, I will be discussing everything you need to know in the vocabulary of Chapter 5 in Chemistry. I just made a video for Chapter 4 as well, just in case you may have missed it. I will quickly be reading the main vocabulary and explaining each one. For this video, I will have a big idea question. That is, how does the modern quantum mechanical model, which will be shown near the end, connect to all the other discoveries and ideas listed? Think about that question while I read through the vocabulary. Here we go. Number 1. Waves. Some physicists believe that light and energy traveled in waves. Waves can be described by their wavelength, frequency, amplitude, and their speed. Next is electromagnetic waves. Light is classified as an electromagnetic wave. In space, electromagnetic waves can travel 3.00 times 10 to the 8th meters per second, which is the speed of light. These electromagnetic waves include waves and particles. Next, number 3, is a photon. A photon is a particle of light that is usually emitted by electrons in an atom. All photons carry energy. Next is continuous spectrum. The continuous spectrum is a list of all known wavelengths. A sliver of the continuous spectrum shows all the types of visible light. Next is atomic emission spectra. The emission spectra is individually owned by each type of element. No emission spectra per element is the same. The emission spectra shows all the types of wavelengths that an atom is able to emit. We are only able to see the visible light colors on the emission spectra, but it does show all of the wavelengths that we can't see. Next, 6, the Bohr hydrogen model. Physicist Niels Bohr created an atomic model of hydrogen. He noticed how electrons from higher energy levels would emit more photon energy as they dropped to lower levels than electrons at lower energy level. Next one, number 7, the Broglie Equation. The de Broglie equation explains that all particles have wave-like properties. Now, number 8, very important, the quantum mechanical model. The quantum mechanical model is a modernized version of the Bohr model. It shows electrons as waves instead of particles. Number 9, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle is based on the idea that electrons are waves. It states that it is impossible to know the velocity and position of an electron simultaneously. Next, orbitals. Orbitals are three-dimensional versions of electron shells. It provides a relative location of an electron 90% of the time. These orbitals can be divided into 4 blocks known as S, P, D, and F. 11. SPDF blocks. SPDF blocks are used in electron configuration and determine the orbitals of specific atoms. S has the lowest energy level and F has the highest energy level. Last one, electron configuration. Electron configuration is a way to determine the amount of electrons an atom has. I do have a whole video explaining the ins and outs of this topic, so good to check it out if you are having trouble with electron configuration. So it's pretty much a summary of Chapter 5. I'll see you in the next video.